Hello, hello, hello everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Oh, I'm not gonna do my intro. I don't feel like it. But instead, we're gonna jump in with Jeffree Star's Blood Sugar in the shade Glucose. Now I'm putting that all over the base of my eye again. I'm so giddy. Oh my god. Jeffree Star Cosmetics actually liked one of my comments that I commented on it, on his page, on their page, whatever. Oh, I fangirled so hard. Next, I went in with the BHCosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm going in with this pink color, and I'm just kind of making a little bit of a cut crease, but it's going to be more of a blended cut crease instead of an actual cut. So it's a blended crease. Ooh, how about that? And then I went in with that white again, and I'm just kind of blending out that pink and adding a little bit more white. Oh, and my blending. There it is. And more blending. Next, I went in with the LimeLife by Alcone Perfect Eyeliner Pen. I'm gonna have to get more of this. Wait, look at that wing. Then I went in with Prick from Blood Sugar. And this is just, I'm just kind of putting a little bit of a layer on top of the pink to really give it that nice contrast color. And then I went in with the NYX Glitter Primer. And I went in with my Girls MakeUpbyChey. Oh, and I'm using So Fetch. And Regina George, I remade this work. Look at it. Oh, look at it. I do have a promo code. I'll link that down below. Then I went in with Superhero It Cosmetics for mascara. And then I took the Master Prime by Face Studio primer. Next, I took the NYX Cosmetics Can't Stop, Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation. I cannot remember what shade this is, but I used it anyway. I'm sorry that my videos have been kind of like fast-paced lately. They've been so long. Ugh. Then I went in with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Powder in the shade 100. Then I took that pink again from BHCosmetics, and I'm just putting that on my waterline. Then I went in with the green, and I'm putting that on the inner corner of my eye to just really have that nice contrast between the colors. Next, I took this white shimmery color, and I'm just kind of highlighting the brown brow bone. Back in with the pink. Now we are carving out kind of the... I really don't know what I was aiming for in this makeup. It came out as a skull. I just kind of went with it in all reality. But I did really like how it came out. It came out really well, I think. But yeah, I'm sorry that my videos have been kind of fast-paced lately. For some odd reason, whenever I do mascara or eyeshadow, I'm always out of camera. It sucks, but at least you guys are getting the good stuff. Here is a question of the day for you guys. What is your favorite makeup palette as of right now? What is the makeup palette that you just keep going to every time that you do a makeup? Mine is always BHCosmetics. Take Me Back to Brazil. Like, seriously. It's not my favorite, but it's always my go-to. Next, I went in with AthenaMariexoxo in the shade Eden. Oh, this, I didn't actually plan on having this pink actually match, but it so did, and I was so happy. I do have a promo code for that lipstick as well. If you guys are interested, I'll link that in my description. Next, I went in with the Laura Geller New York blush. I'm using this more as a bronzer instead of a blush for this makeup. I just kind of wanted my face to scream pink. Next, I took that same LimeLife eyeliner, and now I am just darkening up where the little teeth should go. I wanted some definition in it. And for this part, I did take So Fetch from MakeUpbyChey again. I do have a promo code for that if I didn't already mention that in the beginning when I showed it to you. But yes, I am in love with this glitter. Next, I took the Cosmic Lashes in the style Not Your Sweetheart. And then I went in with the Maybelline Define a Line eyeliner, and I'm just going to put that literally in my waterline. And pow! Alright, so now I'm taking that green again, and now I'm just kind of putting that on different spots of this makeup to just really make the contrast really just pop out. Oh my god, and there it is. Need I say more? My face said it all. And for this one, I am going to be putting it kind of on the insides of the pink to really make it shine when the pictures are getting taken and have it just, yeah. If you follow me on Instagram or Facebook, you would definitely see that shine. Next, I'm taking that same pink color from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm just putting that all over my neck. And highlighter. Ooh, yeah. Alright, you guys, and this is the final look. Oh, this makeup actually did very well, and I'm very proud of it. But if you guys like this video, go ahead and leave me a like down below, or subscribe, or comment, whatever you guys want to do. It makes me happy. Alright, you guys, stay tuned for my next video.